Hello guys, this is Melrose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nasa Intramuros po tayo at syempre, dinalaw ko na din yung Museo de Intramuros. So ito yung makikita sa loob guys, so enjoy watching! The entrance fee is 75 pesos for regular rate and meron pong discount, just bring your valid ID. So guys, yung exhibit ay tinawag nila na Imagenes Indigenas or the Indian response to evangelization. The exhibit presents the story of the evangelization of the Philippines from the perspective of the Filipinos. It explores the Indian response to the introduction of a new religion and culture. Religious art objects belonging to the Intramuros Administration collection are treated as vessels of the cultural translation between the colonizers and the colonized, a zone of contact, wherein Philippine religious images are considered as a multi-layered expression of contextualized faith and negotiated history. In doing so, the exhibit aims to highlight the resulting Filipino artistry and craftsmanship in the merging of the indigenous and the foreign, wherein religious arts serve as witness to a continuing past. Yes guys, 75 pesos lang. Matutour mo na po hanggang baba, hanggang third floor po ito. Makikita nyo po mga lumang imahe, lahat-lahat ng gusto nyo pong makita. Makikita nyo din po sa baba yung ruins po ng simbahan. Makikita nyo po doon yung foundation dun sa baba. Sa mga first video po, mapapansin nyo po yun. So, thanks for always watching my vlog and hoping you'll like and subscribe, and don't forget your history and always remember who you are today because of them.